Now we're going to practice our F's. For our F's, we make a line straight down from the top. Then we make a line across the top. Then we go across the middle just a little way. For the lowercase f, we start a little down from the top. We go up and we hit the top. Then we can go straight down and go across at the middle. Okay, let's try the uppercase F again. We go straight down, we go across the top a little way, and then we go across the middle just a little bit. For our lowercase f, we start a little down from the top, we go up, we hit the top, then we can come straight down, and then we go across the middle. Okay, let's look at it one more time. We go straight down, straight across the top, straight across the middle just a little bit. Then we start a little down from the top for the lowercase f. We go up, straight down, straight across. You can probably do this 1, 2, 3 more times to practice your F's.